When the winds roared and the sky turned wild, the world seemed to break apart. But in the heart of chaos, courage was waiting to rise. Through the storm he came. John Carter, join my mission. Subscribe and empower change. Step by step, through the fury he led them. Each heartbeat a promise. No one gets left behind. At the edge of destruction, hope stood its ground. One lift, one breath, one final push, and the storm began to fall silent. When the sun broke through the clouds, they saw not a soldier, but a hero of humanity. Stand with heroes. Subscribe for more stories of courage and hope.